Hey guys, welcome back to another zpult unboxing, and today we're going to take a look at the Moment 60mm lens. So I'm actually using a Moment wide angle V2 for this channel, and this is the Moment Tele lens V2 60mm, and of course I can also use this in my Moment case. So I have the Moment case right here. We're going to try it out in a bit. So of course it says Tele lens V2 60mm, long live the picture taker, and you have your typical Moment box as well. Moment Inc. warrants this product to be free from defects and materials. Shopmoment.com, please recycle. And I'm actually watching the YouTube channel of Moment as well. Really cool in terms of the overall culture of Moment. So I kind of resonate really well with their brand overall. So I'm unboxing it now. There are several layers to this box. There you go, 1, 2, and 3. There you go. And it says shot on Moment Vixter, so hashtag. And of course you get the lens right away, and the side you get really nice pouch looking pouch Moment, and that's kind of like Alcantara in terms of the texture overall. You have cool looking pouch, and it's sort of like a microfiber thing going on, 60mm. And of course the lens now, and actually not a lot in the box. Alright, lens wise, this is a very it's actually bigger compared to my wide angle lens. This is maybe around 5mm to 10mm bigger or longer compared to my wide angle lens. Made of mostly metal and really cool in terms of the overall weight to it. It's also a premium in build overall, 60mm and V2 also. So really weighty, and you have that kind of lens cap at the top, and really premium feeling build overall, and really weighty also. So yeah, definitely Moment really knows how to make great quality stuff. So this is the lens right away, and look at how majestic and glorious the glass is inside. So this is what you're paying for. It is around $100 or around 5,000 pesos, so definitely in the more expensive side of phone case or phone lenses, but I think you're getting what you pay for in terms of the overall build. Look at that, you have several rainbow in colors. There might be a lot of coating inside the Moment lens, which will make for a more sharper image, and that is actually what I'm getting with my Moment 18mm, very sharp in terms of the lens quality. It's like a mirrorless kind of feel going on, so you guys can see, I mean, has even some bokeh inside, and really sharp as well. So let's try it out with my iPhone. Of course you need a Moment case, so I actually have the XS Max Moment case, and you need to mount it right here. So this is what it's gonna look like in the default. There you go, shot. So when you have the Moment lens in, of course you need to line the line up at the top, and before you twist it, and actually after you line it up, it's very solid. It won't fall at all, even if you throw this in the above table. I won't throw it, this is not mine. And look at that, that's the main difference when you put the Tele lens in. So one thing to note, guys, as you guys can see, there's some vignette going on at the side. So actually for the XS Max, for the newer phones, you might want the 58mm, but definitely I think you can get the 60mm now for cheaper price, because it's an older kind of version. But still, I mean, there's a vignette over here, so you need to crop in. So if that's your thing, you might survive with this, but definitely this kind of zoomed in, around 2 times zoomed in compared to what you have in the default setting. So let's try to compare it quickly. So this is the zoomed in version, and you have, there you go, this before and after. So that's around 1.5 times to 2 times zoomed in. In terms of the overall quality, let's try to zoom in quickly. So it's fairly sharp. Let's try to have another shot again, because maybe I wasn't able to nail the focus that well. There you go, and zooming in again. There you go, it's fairly sharp but not super duper sharp. Alright, so we're back to the Moment app, because the iPhone app is not that smart in detecting the ×2. So we're now using the second lens of the iPhone, and this is gonna be a sample shot with the normal ×2. So this is the shot that you're getting with the normal ×2, and then you put the lens in. So this is gonna be the new shot now, and credit to Amsel for being the model for today. Look at that. This is gonna be the zoomed in version. Look at that with the moment app. It's actually fairly sharp as well, so really cool. So it's around 1.5 times again to 2 times the overall zoom in. It's actually, the compression is really cool actually. So it's less wide in terms of the overall compression, and really telephoto, I would say, is definitely, I would say, better compared to the ×2 normally. So this does work better in your ×2 lens with your iPhone XS Max. Actually, with the ×2 lens, there's not a lot of vignette here, so yeah, it's very good when you're using it with a ×2 lens. So yes, fairly sharp as well. So really, Moment knows how to make great stuff, and sharp lenses at that, and it's pretty cool as well. So this is the 60mm Moment lens from Moment. And if you want to get one, shopmoment.com. It's an online thing going on. Really high quality product, and really weighty, and definitely something that you can use for your iPhoneography. So if you learned something, leave a like and subscribe for more content like this in the future. Really cool product. Subscribe for more content like this, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.